Well, good morning to those of you joining us from Japan, and good afternoon and good evening for those of you in the United States. And thank you all for being with us for this exciting event announcing a new strategic partnership. My name is Tom Mundy, and I am the Chief Commercial Officer for NuScale Power. As countries around the world look to improve energy efficiency and sustainability, we believe that NuScale plants can begin to have a real and positive impact by delivering clean nuclear energy that will remain resilient in the face of our changing environment. And that's why today's signing is so exciting. We are thrilled to have leaders here today, not only from NuScale and JGC, but also from Fluor, to celebrate this important step in the strategic cooperation between our companies. Today, you'll hear from John Hopkins, Chairman and CEO of NuScale Power, Alan Beckman, Executive Chairman of Fluor Corporation, and Masayuki Sato, Representative Director, Chairman, and CEO of JGC Holdings Corporation. It's now my pleasure to introduce John Hopkins, Chairman and CEO of NuScale Power.
Thank you, Tom. I'm honored to be here commemorating this important announcement. I'd like to also thank all of you for attending this ceremony, wherever you may be, in Japan, across the United States, at your home or your office. Continued support from Fluor in this new strategic partnership with JGC is a very exciting step for our SMR technology and its international potential. We also are greatly appreciative of the excellent support from the U.S. government, Department of Energy, the U.S. Commerce, and Department of State, as well as our private investor, Fluor Corporation. With that, it's evident that a robust global supply chain is crucial to providing quality and competitive pricing. Suppliers who are investing in support of NuScale are also invested in their future as well. In my almost 9 years at NuScale, this partnership is a very exciting milestone. Despite the challenges of this pandemic, this past year has been record-breaking for NuScale. In August, our technology made history as the first and only SMR design to ever receive approval from the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. In our scalable plant design, which can house up to 12 individual power modules, offers the benefits of carbon-free nuclear power in providing reduced financial commitments and production costs. And now with our new partner, JGC, our design can support our shared objectives of meeting rising net zero energy demands while bettering the human condition. We deeply value JGC's expertise and an immeasurable experience in the energy field and in the global market. JGC is a highly respected industry leader who has been a pioneer in delivering Japan's energy infrastructure needs for nearly 100 years. Through the execution of engineering, procurement, and construction projects, JGC delivers a variety of plants and facilities, having executed more than 20,000 projects in 80 countries around the world. JGC's investment and partnership with NuScale Power is a welcome endorsement of our SMR technology and its international viability. And this announcement truly emphasizes the growing Japanese and global interest in NuScale. With Fluor and JGC's unparalleled expertise and support, we can rapidly scale our technology globally and demonstrate how our cleaner and safer advanced nuclear design brings numerous benefits, economic and environmental, to countries around the world as they seek innovative paths to complete a clean energy transition. Our slogan at NuScale is changing the power that changes the world. This means improving the quality of life for humankind by continuously improving nuclear power, and we are honored for the opportunity to make this vision a reality with our new partner, JGC. Again, thank you all for attending this historic ceremony, and thank you for my counterparts, Mr. Beckman, Sato-san, and Suzuki-san, and I look forward to working closely with this new partnership, improving our energy futures together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, John. It's now my pleasure to introduce Alan Beckman, Executive Chairman of Fluor Corporation.
Thank you, Tom. As John said, it is an exciting day to be here and to celebrate the partnership between our three companies, JGC, NuScale, and Fluor. I'd like to start by thanking JGC for their diligence and commitment as we've worked together in recent months to finalize this deal. I would particularly like to recognize the leadership of Masayuki Sato and Tadashi Ishizuka. For many years, Fluor has collaborated and executed projects with JGC. Through that relationship, which we are reinforcing today, we are putting the critical infrastructure in place to meet the growing international demand for new carbon-free baseload energy. We're delighted to enter this strategic partnership with a company headquartered in the great country of Japan. As a leading global engineering, procurement, and construction company, JGC will become a crucial partner in the first deployment of NuScale's power plant in Idaho, and will be a pivotal leader on projects in other areas of the world. This new ownership position and partnership with JGC is certainly aligned with Fluor and NuScale's long-term strategy to bring aboard new strategic investors, and we're pleased to start this alliance, and we look forward to market opportunities for SMRs on a global basis. From the beginning, we have believed that Fluor's history of success in the nuclear industry, combined with NuScale's safe nuclear technology, will provide customers with a highly competitive, carbon-free option. This signing demonstrates how far we have come and how this technology is poised to revolutionize the nuclear power industry. Here at Fluor, we have been and continue to be passionate about NuScale's innovative technology, and we're delighted that another major international corporation has taken a substantial stake in the process as the company proceeds toward the commercialization of their SMR technology. We look forward to remaining a strong partner of NuScale as the company continues to build its opportunities and as customers continue to recognize the vast potential of NuScale's SMR in addressing clean energy needs. It's very encouraging to see the progress that has been made by NuScale over this past year. And as John said, marked by the historic accomplishment of being the first and only SMR design approved by the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. And it only further proves that the future of the SMR market in the United States and beyond is very bright. We are deeply grateful to our friends at JGC for their interest in this partnership, and we look forward to the many opportunities that will undoubtedly emerge from our work together. I am certain that the relationship between our three companies will continue to flourish in the future. Thank you all for attending today.
Thank you very much, Alan. It's now my pleasure to introduce Masayuki Sato, Representative Director, Chairman, and Chief Executive Officer of JGC Holdings Corporation.
Thank you. Good afternoon and good morning, everyone. So on behalf of JGC Group, I'm honored to join this virtual signing ceremony to celebrate our investment in NuScale. I'm joined in this ceremony by the President and COO, Tadashi Ishizuka, and the team that worked on this investment. This is indeed a significant milestone and builds on our long history of working together with Fluor as we enter a new era of collaboration to deliver carbon-free energy resource on our customers. As you are no doubt aware, Japanese government has committed to achieve carbon neutral by 2050. To achieve this aspiration, we have to develop and promote new technologies to eliminate sources of carbon in our daily way to life and needs. At JGC Group, we have developed our 2040 vision that establishes our strategies and areas of focus that will enable JGC to tackle the global challenges to reduce and ultimately eliminate carbon from sectors that we service in our business. As an outcome of this strategic review, we will transform JGC to enter markets with focus on energy transition and transform JGC to be solutions focused on key sectors of energy and social infrastructure. One important area of achieving carbon-free energy is the utilization of nuclear technology. We have been following the developments in this area, and in particular, the developments in SMR technology. We're excited with the innovative design solution and safety features of NuScale technology and the progress that has been made to successfully achieve NRC certification and its readiness for commercialization. We believe NuScale offers an exciting solution for power and hydrogen demands. As various countries seek in a cost effectiveness and zero carbon means to address this challenge. We believe the technical and financial strengths of both Fluor and JGC, our global footprint and EPC delivery capability provides us a unique capability to jointly develop markets and projects for commercialization of NuScale technology. Today, Ms. Alicia Duncan from DOE and Mr. Kihara from NATI are kindly participating in this virtual ceremony. With the guidance of the US government and Japanese government, we can build on the strong partnership at government-to-government level. This investment enables us to create a long-term strategic partnership to promote future business opportunities on our respective countries and our business. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to personally thank the leadership of Mr. Alan Beckman, the Executive Chairman of Fluor, and Mr. John Hopkins, Chairman and CEO of NuScale, for the strong support to JGC and giving us opportunity to invest in this exciting technology. We are sure you are in our full support and commitment, and we look forward to celebrating the commercialization of NuScale with the award and FYD of first EPC project Tuna Partnership. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sato-san. And we will now move to the presentation of NuScale's gift to JGC, and I'll turn the program over to John Hopkins.
Thank you again, Tom. Although we pride ourselves to be a small modular reactor, this is not quite to scale. However, it does represent one module of NuScale. It's a 77 megawatt electric. And as you know, its containment and integral reactor is encased within the unit itself. We anticipate seeing these all over the world, not only for the application of electricity, but also for the energy requirements for desalination, or the energy requirements for green energy, or the energy requirements for cities of the future, because each of these modules can be scaled up. So not only do you have to go with 12, you could start with 2 and scale up to 4 and provide not only electricity, but you could also provide energy for desalination, let's say in areas of the world that need potable water. So together with Fluor and JGC, we're going to see a very robust market. And again, we greatly appreciate you being part of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, John. And now we'll move on to the signing of official documents. Signing for Fluor will be Alan Beckman, for NuScale, John Hopkins, and for JGC, Masayuki Sato. And may I introduce Tadashi Ishizuka, Representative Director, President, and Chief Operating Officer of JGC Holdings Corporation.
That's it.
I am pleased to invite you to sign your respective documents at this time, gentlemen.
You shouldn't push it.
Congratulations and thank you to JGC, NuScale, and Fluor. And thank you to everyone who joined us today.